This is a bike light, rechargeable, IP4 rated, waterproof, 1100 lumens on the front. It's 4+6 modes, and it's got 2 LEDs. Now let's open it up, get you a nice close-up look. And I ride bicycles during the day and not nighttime, so I'll show you some of the shots at nighttime of how bright, super bright this light may be. You get everything out of the box. 1100 lumens flashlight. You have a clear light, a covered light. You have 2 red LEDs on the side, 4 green lights around the on button, and 4 blue lights that are 25% increments. On the back of the unit is going to be covering the USB port, IPX4 rated, with the strap that goes around the handlebar that you're able to twist to the side if like. The tail light, it has an on and off the USB port, and it has a release clip so you can take off the tail light. It does not rotate, and it does clip on. To charge the unit, simply take the cord, find the outlet in the back, the wide angle on the bottom, and do your best to plug them in. Depending on the power loss, it'll take an hour or two to charge the taillight. There's the red light. Depending on the power loss of the main unit, there are the blue lights charging a blink. Shining to you, you're going to see one light go on, high, low, then the next light, both lights, and then a breathing light and a flicker. High, low, the next light, both lights, the breathing, the flicker, and off. On the side, when you turn it on, there is a green light, then turns to red. On the top, you see 4 green lights and the amount of power you have on the unit. You cannot long press this to shut it off. It won't shut off. You have to go through the cycles to get it off. It is very compact, very small, very lightweight. It is very simple to attach to the handlebar, just like so. I need to go away, I take the light off, just like that. I find a spot on my bike and I attach the other piece to it. And if I want to slide it on like so, I'm ready to go. Take it off as simple as removing it or removing the clip. Let's turn the unit on for the tail light by pressing it once. It has a solid 5 red LEDs. They do a rapid flash, a slow flash, a flash going up or down, a flash going down or up, quickly up or down, and then it gives a radiant up and down like a Night Rider, and off. This is a low lit situation. Going to turn the light on for you so you can see the idea of the light. And I'm going to turn the headlight on and go through the settings, the modes as they're called. As you can see, the red light from a distance. So you got traffic, you're passing side streets and so forth. Show you what it looks like in the front. It's important to be seen no matter where you go. So you got the tail light right there. You got the flicker going, and that's what you want to be seen during the daylight. Please pay attention to this device. It will go side to side. It just won't rotate. That is good. So when you put it up like so, you want to raise it to the ceiling, you can do so. Put the backlight on. And we're going to put the front light on. As you can see, we got the lights on the side. low,